Subscribe to Nazima's Taste of Home. Press the bell icon for latest updates. Potato dishes are very famous in Sri Lanka, and potato tempered is one of the very popular dishes during special occasions. There are few varieties available. This dry potato curry is also known as alathildala in Sinhalese. It is a simple deviled potato curry you can enjoy with all your favorite meals. It also makes the ideal spicy potato curry for chapatis, naans and regular bread. So without wasting any time, let's check out the ingredients and see how easy to make this delicious potato fry. Today I have taken these baby potatoes. They are rich in flavor and nutritious and healthy and wholesome, but you can use the regular potatoes boiled and cubed into small sizes. Wash the potatoes thoroughly and place the potatoes with the skin in a pan and pour water just enough to cover the potatoes. Don't add salt. Boil the potatoes until they are tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's check out the rest of the ingredients. I have taken 2 large onions sliced finely, and then salt as needed, 1 tablespoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon turmeric and 3 green chilies, and about 2 to 3 tablespoon moldy fish flakes, rampe and curry leaves. 1 medium sized tomato, but this is optional, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Now the boiled potatoes are ready. I have removed the skin. This is about 250 grams. Do not overboil the potatoes. Now let's place a cooking pan over medium heat and pour about 3 tablespoons of oil. Now when the oil heats up, add rampe and curry leaves. I am going to cut the curry leaves because they are too large. Now saute it for a minute. If you like, you can add a piece of cinnamon stick at this time, and then let's add the moldy fish flakes and then give a quick stir and saute it for about 30 seconds. Now at this point I am going to add the sliced onions. This is about 2 large onions. Mix it really well while adding salt. Add salt as needed. Now let's add the tomatoes and green chilies. Now mix it really well and keep the flame on high. Cook until the tomato begins to break down. Now after cooking for further 2 minutes, I am going to add turmeric powder and the red chili flakes. If you like more spicy, you can add or reduce the spices according to your taste. Now mix it really well and cook for a further minute. When onions and tomatoes are semi-cooked, let's add the potatoes. Now after adding the potatoes, cook stirring for about 7 to 8 minutes or until potatoes are cooked and coated in spices very well, and occasionally keep stirring so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Once the potatoes are fully coated with the spices and has come together, mix well and turn off the heat. Now serve the Sri Lankan chili potatoes with white rice, Sri Lankan dal or any other chicken for a delicious Sri Lankan inspired menu for the weekend lunch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do try out this recipe and leave me a comment. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching. See you later.